I got the Sonny Angel hippers. I'm so excited.
That one.
Which one? This one?
Two.
I did.
You should get the first one.
Okay, that was a fun pop. Let's see what this one is.
Mommy,
Yes.
so these plugins are the most easiest ones to kill.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at, I got a little boo.
Tata Mimi, did you
Yeah,
know
baby.
that this dress?
Yay, I'm so happy. This is so cute. This is going in my car.
I like this toy. Tata Mimi,
Yeah.
sometimes we go at the mall and more times we get I got the rainbow one.
Yeah, that one's a pretty cool dragon.
This one is the rainbow one, so now the other one I'm just gonna get the plain purple one. I wanna see it.
He's so cute.
Oh.
It's a little radish. He's so cute.